Shichi! It's flashcard time! Numbers and counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hi everyone! Look at my two cool piles of blocks. Can you guess which pile has more blocks? That's right! This pile has more blocks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 blocks. And this pile has 1, 2, 3. 3 blocks. Now, let's try that again. Okay, now which pile has more blocks? That's right, this pile has more blocks. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 blocks. And this pile has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Well done! Great work, everyone! I had so much fun with Shichi today, learning about lots of different things. I hope you had a great time too. Can you remember what we did? Let's take a look. We played with lots of building blocks. You can do this at home too. Bye everyone! See you next time!